that stretch where you were held scoreless, what breakdowns did you see, and how did you witness your men atone for their lapses to secure this victory?
Believe it or not, I kind of expected it because we were just running on fumes. We have a very short rotation because the guy who played very well the last game, Heruela, was out, and Jordan Hedding couldn't even walk. He didn't even practice these last 2 days. It was a game time decision. Our trainers worked on him before the game to see if he could play. And that's why you notice we played him 3-4 minute stretches lang. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, labas. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, labas na naman. Because he was, so to play a team like Magnolia without your guards, you could see the turnover story. We had 19 turnovers. So I was just telling the players at every huddle to just hold on. Don't worry about their missed shots. Don't worry about their offense. Just defend as well as we can, as much as we can, because I knew we didn't have the legs anymore towards the end game. We're lucky Kelly made those 2 free throws. If it went to overtime, I don't know if we could have lasted the last an extra 5 minutes, because like I said, kulang na kulang sa tao. But I think the spirit of the players, their unwillingness to give up, I think was the key here.
Thank you so much, Coach Chot. Or from your perspective naman, kayong mga players, paano kayo nag-usap-usap? Dahil nung panahon na parang wala nang tamang nangyayari para sa inyo. At nakita rin namin na si Jason sobrang lakas ng boses rin sa bench tonight. Ano ba yung mga nakikita niya?
First of all, pasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa panalo. Para sa akin, tumatak lang talaga palagi yung sinasabi ni Coach. Sa buhay, hindi palaging nasa sayo yung parang unfair palagi yung buhay. Pero sabi nga palagi ni Coach, daming injured sa atin, daming nangyayari, pero laban pa rin tayo. Basta bigyan lang natin yung chance yung team natin na manalo. Basta laban lang. Kaya yung mga teammates sa akin, sinasabihan ko sila palagi na huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Laban lang hanggang hindi pa tapos yung laban. So, yun yung palaging sinasabi ko. Yun ang palaging mindset namin.
Ano yung mga sinabi rin ni Jason sa inyo?
Sinisermon na sila.
Kasi turnover kami ng turnover. Sabihin ko kay Jason, hindi kasi ako point guard. Pero hindi excuses yun. Kasi yun nga, sabi ni kay Jason, dahan-dahanin nyo lang. Kasi grabe nga, dumipensa yung Magnolia. Talagang magto-turnover ka talaga. So yun, palaging sinasabi ni kay Jason na dahan-dahanin nyo lang. Pag maka-atake kayo, pag wala, jump stop yun. Si Coach palaging sinasabi, pag wala, huwag nyo pilitin sa loob kasi sobrang nagkukulap sila. So yun ang palaging sinasabi ni kay Jason.
Thank you, Roger. At this point, we're inviting the media to ask questions.
Congrats. Bilang sa panalo ka sa 5,000 points.
5,000 points.
Gusto the last 2 games, talagang maganda yung pinakita mo. Especially, nakanganib yung Guns of Crimson. Medyo nga ni Coach na kahit hindi makuha yun, maganda pa yung season, pero kung gusto nyo. So ngayon, boy pa kayo.
Yun nga, palaging sinasabi ni Coach na kung ano yung opportunity sa harap natin, huwag natin sayangin kasi hindi palaging andyan yan eh. So yun, nire-remind kami, nung start pa lang ng season, parang relax kami. 0-3 kagad eh. Yun, sermon kagad yun. After noon. So parang sa buhay, hindi lang sa basketball, sa buhay, minsan yung opportunity hindi bumabalik sa'yo eh. So yun, hindi namin sinasayang. Kahit twice, kailangan namin talunin ng 2 beses yung Magnolia. Basta may opportunity pa naman eh. So yun, hindi namin sinayang.
Coach, could you talk about yung last play na Hedding taking a forward shot? Was that a plan? And could you also talk about yung effort ng Kelly to box out?
That's really how we drew it up. Not necessarily for a 4, but for a 3. But it so happened he was wide open in the four-point line, and I thought it was a really good shot. But like we always say in our team, you'll get good shots, you have to take them. If it goes in, it goes in, as long as it's a good shot. But a good shot entails you're in balance, you're open, and your teammates are in offensive rebounding position. And I think that's what happened. When we set up the play, Jordan got himself open and took the shot that we wanted to take. Luckily, Kelly put himself in position to offensive rebound. And in the end, ganun talaga eh. Kung hindi na-rebound ni Kelly, di wala tayo dito ngayon. We just go and we try another day. But yun ang sinasabi palagi ni Roger, in life, we're always tested, right? So, but I think the critical play for Jordan was the play before that, when shot clock was winding down, at na-drop pass na dito kay Roger. I think that showed a lot of poise. That was a broken play. That wasn't by design or anything. It was just the players were playing. So, in the end, we always say that, diba? The players are the ones who win the games. Eh? So, say they make the decisions, they make the great effort, they put in the effort, and sometimes we're rewarded.
Post, yun nga, yung tira mong open ka, I believe prior to that, parang naasawa ka na ni Baroka eh. Talk about lang yung nagkaroon ka ng opportunity despite na may pitang defense sa'yo ni Mark.
Yun nga eh, hirap na hirap ako score kasi si Kuya Mark parang kahit pupunta ako sa CR, samahan na ako eh. Talagang nakadikit talaga sa akin, so hirap na hirap ako score. Yeah, credit nga kay Jordan, yung last play talagang
broken play na kasi nawala si Baroka sa kanya.
Nawala. Akala ni Baroka na sa kanila na yung bola eh. So, credit kay Jordan. Hindi siya nagmamadali talaga. Pwede na tira yun eh kasi libre din siya eh. Pero nakita niya ako, so ganun talaga.
Coach, just the prospect of having a healthy lineup.
I think we battled that the whole year. So, kailan ba magsa-start if ever? Wednesday ba ang first game? At least it will give us 3 days to rest. Hopefully, not only Jordan, but even Brian Heruela. Even si Simon Enciso nagka-cramps na rin. I don't think he's used to these high-pressure games. So, nakakaano talaga. So, like I said the last time I was here, di ba? Our focus is rest and recovery for the next game. Kasi, alam ko na yun ang mangyayari. Patagalan na lang talaga because we know Magnolia is not going to give in. Same thing in the semis. Whoever it is that we play here, they're all going to be very hungry. They're not going to give up, so we have to be ready. There's no other way. Hahanapan na lang namin ng paraan, and whoever is healthy, diba? We go with them. We go with whoever is healthy.
Coach, you feel like the pressure medyo nabawas-bawasan dahil nga sir back to zero, at least yung next game na hindi knockout game?
Not really, because we have another series to think about it. So there's some relief. I'll be very honest with you. There's some relief that we were able to get to the Final Four. But any kind of happiness or satisfaction, we know is going to be short-lived. But at least, guys, sabi ni Roger, at least we give ourselves a chance. And when we have a chance, that's all we ask sa buhay, di ba? All we ask is a chance. We're given this chance. We go back to the drawing board tomorrow and figure out what we need to do against our next opponent.
You're going to watch the second game.
My assistants will. Papahinga na muna ako.
Coach, I noticed now si Kelly, career 56% free throw shooter before this season. First conference, 44%. Last two conferences, tumaas na 70%.
Because I think it's a change of mindset. Talagang, actually, it started at the start of this conference, of this season pa lang. We told Kelly he will now be a spread 5. Magiging shooter na talaga namin siya. Kaya nakikita nyo, pag kick out siya, tinitira talaga niya. Nagagalit ako sa kanya pag hindi niya tinitira. I don't care if it makes or miss or make, you have to shoot that. So, he has put in so much time in practice shooting. His 3 points and his free throws. So, he really put in the work and he put in the effort. And it showed in the last couple of conferences and specifically the last 2 games. His stroke has really improved, but more than anything, it's really the confidence that we told him, and his teammates keep encouraging him. Sinasabihan nga nila, Coach Kelly, pag libre, tira. And then, pagka hindi naman siya yung tumitira, minsan lang naiiwan siya sa labas. So sinasabi lang, pag hindi ikaw tumitira, rebound ka. Because ang laking bagay niya sa offensive rebound, like we saw in these last 2 games.